My name is Valentino Nunez and I'm majoring in construction management.
I'm Sina Malik. I'm a computer systems engineer.
My name is Mason Clark. I'm an electrical engineer.
My name is Robert Chappelle. I'm a computer science major.
My name is Francesca Manzano, mechanical engineering major.
In 2010, Haiti had a devastating earthquake with a magnitude of 7.0. It left about 100,000 to 300,000 people dead, and it left most of the country homeless. The country itself is not a economically sound country. It needs a lot of support from other countries such as the USA. That's why they came to ASU for our contribution in this project.
Our community partners are John and Danielle Fellis, the founders of Good Neighbor Missions International. And they have set their own goals of meeting the orphanage's needs, including education, shelter, and nutrition. Our stakeholders are located in Arque, Haiti, or on the coast. Their orphanage has a total of 80 people, including staff.
Alright, so after we got to know our stakeholders and our community partner, we did a little bit of brainstorming. So our team went through 3 phases. We went through phase 1, project identification, phase 2, specification development, and phase 3, conceptual design. So project identification, we got to know what we needed to do, which was either build a water purification system or a power or a generator to give them power when they build the orphanage. And we chose power. Our group chose to build with solar panels. And so after we got the identification down, we did specification development. So we went through some requirements. We made a list of criteria that we needed to follow in order for our prototypes to function the way that we wanted to. And then phase 3 was conceptual design, where we actually came up with the sketches as well as some potential prototypes. Unfortunately, we did not prototype this semester, but we plan to continue it on next semester.
After brainstorming multiple ideas, we came up with the solution of flexible solar panels. Basically, they're rollout, they're amazing, and you can totally look in our design document for more. So we went through photovoltaic solar panels, and we decided to go with polycrystalline. That's usually the least expensive, and that's what happened. The rollout solar panels happen to be made out of. And our battery storage came out to lithium ion. We went with lead acid at the beginning and decided it wasn't safe enough. Our end decision would be multiple, about 30-ish rollout solar panels and a lithium ion battery in multiple storage locations.
So for our prototype, we were thinking of having a solar panel. We would end up wanting to have a display for the people to use, so they could then interact with their system and know some information about it, like measuring the current coming in, measure the stored energy in the battery, and also to measure the energy consumption or the energy being used at that moment.
Okay, so Robert explained our whole system and what we want to do and our idea for it. Next steps include prototyping, because we didn't have actual physical prototypes this semester. And what was suggested to us as our next steps would be prototyping pieces of our whole system. You saw that the battery was a piece of it, the solar panels was an individual piece of it, and there's just a lot of things that we could do, but taking it one step at a time and taking it function by function would help a lot, because that's what we need to do next. And we want to make sure that each part works properly before the whole system combines as a whole. Thank you!
Thank you!
Thanks.
Thanks. Jesus. All right, thank you. All right, cool. We're done, guys.
Okay, we're good.